So I have 7 x's on the top, I have 3 x's on the bottom, and all I really got to think about is, what is x divided by x? Yeah, it's 1. So that's 1, that's 1, that's 1. And what am I left with? How many x's? Yep, and that's my answer. How could I get 4 from 7 and 3? Yeah, so the formula for these is 7 minus 3, which equals x to the 4th. P, E, M, multiplication and division are the same level, so it's whichever comes first. Addition, subtraction. Alright, so I'm going to just go through each thing, and I'll highlight what I'm doing. So your first step is parentheses. So I check it off. There's your parentheses. So you're going to rewrite this whole problem. Oh, you know what I could do? I could probably do this. This is genius. Oh, beautiful. Okay. So now your next step is exponents. So that will be, that'll be this right here you have to do. So I rewrite that as 9. And how am I going to do this one? Miss Paper Happy over there. Alright. Then my next step over here is going to be multiplication or division, whatever I see first. So I see division first, then multiplication, then division. So I'm going to go in order. So that'll be 3. And then the whole thing comes down. Oh, I don't think that's going to work. Kind of worked. So now I'm going to multiply 3 times 3. I'm just going to write this because this is getting... So that's 9 plus 9 minus 20 divide by 4 plus 3. So now you have to do this. And this is the hard part. That minus sign is connected to the 20. So I have to, account for that. So that's minus 20. So that's going to become minus 5 plus 3. Recopy everything. Now this is the easy part. Now we just go left to right. We've checked off multiplication, division, and you're just going to add. So, you could do that 18, then it's going to be minus 5, or negative 5, but they mean the same thing. So 18 minus 5, I'm going to do this all in one step. 18 minus 5 is 13, plus 3 will be 16, and there's your final answer. Oh, sorry there, Jaden, I didn't see. Good job. Alright, I'm going to erase it all now. Just kidding. Any other questions while they copy that? Yep. Hola. That is... I don't know who that is. It's a stream crasher. It's a stream crasher. Quick. Everybody act quick. Alright, oh no, do you have the power cord? Alright, good. What number is scientific notation? 8? Ooh, I didn't even give you an easy one in the beginning. Okay. Uh, 0.000000157. All right. I'm doing a little different. Okay. Really, all you need to know, and this is for every single one, this decimal point has to go here, right in front of that number. So you have to just count how many times it goes to get there. Yeah, I know. They made us make a schedule, so I don't think there'll be any more conflicts. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that moved 6 places. So I'd write 1. Oh, you're right. 7. Thank you. Did I skip one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. I was just seeing if you're paying attention. Alright, times 10, and now you know it's a 7, and because it's going into, it's getting smaller, this is just negative. That's what negative exponents do. They don't make it negative, they make it smaller. Yeah, it's always in front of the first number, whatever the first number is. That's it. It always has to be something point. I'll put it like this. Scientific notation should always look like this. Some number, point, and then, whatever. If you have like 7 digits, they go all in there. So this is one number. This could be a bunch of numbers. I'll put numbers times 10 to, and then however many times you move the decimal. Move. It's really not hard once you understand it. And then for 9, what you want to do is you want to look at this problem. I'll just go over here. 3.2 times 10 to the 8th, and then, I don't know, 2 times 10 to the 4th. What you want to do is multiply these together, because you can multiply anything, and then use exponent rules. So how many 10s do I have in total now on this problem that I have? Yeah, so you just write times 10 to the 12th, and then you'd figure out what this is. The only problem is if you get a number that has, like if you got like this, 32 point, I know this is not right, but times 10 to the, I'll just do a different one completely so it doesn't get confusing. If you got that as your answer, you have one more step. This is where it gets kind of tricky, but it's really not bad. You have to move this here. So you'd have to write 3.25 times, I'll tell you in 1 second, 12. Just because that's how, scientific notation works. We have a certain form that we use every single time, which is this number, oops, I did not mean to do that. This number has to be only one number, or between 1 and 10. So, you just have one more step if the decimal, if you get a number bigger than 10. Really bigger than 9, but whatever. Miss Arts, Miss Rivera, Mr. Wentworth, Miss Catalano, just too much work. Would you guys say that you're having more? I agree sometimes. Like we have as teachers, they're making us do so many reports. Yesterday I spent so much time doing it took me an hour and a half for each class just to get one report done. It is sometimes more. But would you say you're doing more, are you working more than the actual school day? Are you working more than 6 hours on your work? Okay. Alright. Alright, well, here's what I'll say. If my work ever, takes more than an hour, I'm going to say to you guys, because I trust you guys, just email me and I will, I'll exempt you for that day and you can be done. It's that... Oh, okay. Oh, you can use homework coupons on anything that's due on a day. So, when... Oh, no, I'm basically saying you can't get exempt from this, but you can in the future. I'll exempt you from 10 problems if you want to use a homework pass. So you could do all the work except for 10 problems. Oh, you mean the other teachers are having a lot of work that day too? Yeah. Did he make it? He extended it? Oh, no. You guys got him in trouble? Why? Because he extended it? Yeah. He should have probably just left it. When's rep coasting due? Tomorrow now?